My wonderful people, they say that Tinubu don japa for the presidential house, wey in there for UK, for London, no be small thing. As e be like this now, they say the man don japa as he hear say IPOB is coming over there to protest and let him to release Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Na he japa enter France. So as I dey hear that one, they say Sunday Igboho don write heavy note of petition carry am go submit for the prime minister for inside the place where they call United Kingdom. Come tell them say they need their own country wey be the independent state, or wey be Yoruba nation. Say they want Yoruba nation and nothing more. As e be like this now, na internet come catch fire. Many people come dey ask question, what is different between Sunday Igboho and then Nnamdi Kanu? My people, I go bring the video come show you, make you watch. Stay tuned as you dey watch this video. Don't forget to see there for Balabas gist. As that one dey happen, na IPOB don carry the matter say no, they no go gree. They will say, well, they wan go visit Tinubu, make they say am 101. But before they reach there, na Tinubu don japa watch their own video as they dey for the front of the house.
Nabiko barambe kikuna. We are going to stand with our leader. Nabiko barambe kikuna. Enemy play na gafela, ala mwe na boss. Selese, selese, okije no, okije bonbonde na yemi.
My wonderful people, now so it be you, and I will say carry and co show now. This one they share for inside the obodo wey colonize in Nigeria will put together. My wonderful people, as that one they happen, they say that the Enugu state government no be small thing they happen for there. They say the man don't provoke. He say that even the dead body now for Enugu go they pay tax. I want me you watch am as this our sister. They explain more better. Listen,
guys. Enugu state government imposes daily tax on corpses in the mortuary. T-Pain don't reach dead body. What is happening? So dead bodies in the mortuary will be paying tax. Everybody go collect from this T-Pain. Everybody go collect from the task. They say that the government made this official statement yesterday stating that all the dead bodies in the in the mortuary will be paying task. I don't know what this man is learning. Is he learning task from Tinubu? Abi T-Pain? But the last time I checked, dead bodies in the mortuary, they are paying. There is a daily fee they pay, like the family pays, to keep them there. Why task? And all of you say keeping dead body for months. Some of them go stay there 1 year. What is it for? Go and bury the person now. Now, I believe that as the new task has been imposed on dead bodies in the mortuary, if your family member died, na sharp bury. Whatever. This is insane. Like, this is insane. There's no way a dead body. How can a dead body pay task? The dead body earn? The dead body working? Is the dead body employed? Is the dead body and how did it? Some news why they get for this country, even me when they give the news, is surprised. They shock because I don't understand whether we are in a same country. This is a zoo. An animal kingdom. How can dead body? Yeah, mba or waiting be your name. You need to be careful. No? This task where they learn from Tinubu, it not go help us from Enugu. It won't take it. But you want be dead body to pay task in the mortuary? They get accounts. Anyway, guys, what do you guys think on this video? Comment your opinion respectfully, and don't forget to follow and share this video.
Other ogbonge information where would they get be say they say the pipeline where they want collect go reach Europe. They say the main oil where these people they target they come from Imo State. As it be like this now, they say Imo State may be the richest oil state where they get for Nigeria. If you are not even thinking of that, Imo State maybe Imo State and Anambra. You say Igbo land has oil where other people don't even know. That's why Nigeria government no one make them public. Many give other Igbo morale. I bet may you listen for waiting they talk for this video.
The gas pipeline from Nigeria to Europe is nearing completion. The critical part is to connect it to Ala Igbo, specifically Imo State, that has about the biggest gas deposits in the world. Buhari signed the gas away as collateral for loan and used the money partly to develop other parts of Nigeria and partly to fund Fulani herds to prepare them for full-scale invasion and take over of Nigeria, without investing any of the money in Igbo land where the gas is. To connect the pipeline to the primary source in Igbo land and continue to cheat them of their resource is not going to be easy. So the plan is to destabilize the region. It's been long in the making. This is an agreement with major Western powers. The first phase, flooding the region with killer herdsmen and killing young men of the region by mercenaries of one bloated militant, have had limited success. The second phase has just been tested, flooding the region with herdsmen in the guise and in the midst of IDP. Very soon, the Igbo will be painted in orchestrated write-ups all over the world as people unwelcoming to refugees and IDP. There will then be a massacre of IDP by the same planners, and it will be blamed on the Igbo, paving the way for full-scale military invasion. The refusal to release Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is part of it, and if he is released, he would be assassinated, either by the gun, to be blamed on rival pro-Biafran groups, or by the slow poison they have been administering on him. Both Britain and the US are part of this plan, and they are not ready to let up. It all boils down to the resource called gas. They must have it by all means, as an alternative to the Russian gas that has become a problem to them. They know that the Igbo are no pushover, hence the systematic weakening of Igbo cohesion and the grand plan. For such a plan to succeed, a high-level insider is needed. That is where a Southeast governor is playing his inglorious part. Hope Uzodimma is judicially imposed on his state, and he knows that once his term finishes, he cannot step foot into his state, even into his village where he has massacred several people. This governor is the one facilitating everything. He paved the way for Buhari to start the plan, and he has continued with the present federal government. He will be rewarded with a relocation to the UK or to any other European city of his choice. And Bola Ahmed Tinubu. This is the most strategic politician to come out of Nigeria. He is positioning the Yoruba. Once the war starts in the southeast, the north will depend on him and his people for the continuation of any semblance of Nigeria. The north needs an outlet to the sea. They need Nigeria, in whatever form. Whether Nigeria survives in any form or not, the Yoruba would be strengthened by taking over the spaces both in the literal and other sense vacated by the Igbo. This is what the Yoruba did in the First War. Now the stakes are higher, the price is huger, and the eyes are more opened. Bola Ahmed Tinubu is using Mazi Nnamdi Kanu to play the political chess, and all these are related. Know this as a given. Thank you for watching. Please follow us for more updates.
My wonderful people, welcome back. As that one they happen, na so they bring and they come show now waiting they talk now where they happen. Oh, now be this. I beg, may you drop your own opinion in the comment section and also share the video so that other people will get the information and know as it they go for the country. You know this country where they call Nigeria, they don't sell them since so, but una no know. Now the day now where the landlord go come give everybody quick notice. Now that they una go understand and they are coming closer. You get why? Share this video.